Hello everybody, my name is John and today we're going to be putting a survival tactic to the test. We're going to build a survival raft out of a poncho and 550 cord. You're going to want to take approximately 45 minutes to an hour in order to complete this task, including gathering materials. First thing you're going to want to do is spread your poncho out and either tie off or zip tie the hood in the center to make it waterproof. Next thing you're going to want to do is take some light brush and sticks and build a frame. You're going to want to make a circle based out of the center of the poncho, weaving each branch together. You want to take care and make sure that none of the branches are poking out and that they're not going to tear a hole in the poncho. The first part of the frame you're going to want to be approximately 6 to 8 inches tall. Once you've got the first part of the frame built, you're going to want to cut some 550 cord and go around the frame and secure everything in place. You don't want to tie everything too tightly and compress the frame down, otherwise it won't create the surface area you need in order for it to float. You just want to tie it just tight enough that none of the sticks move and it becomes one solid structure. Next, you're going to want to create a frame throughout the center of the raft so that you've got something to sit on other than the tarp. You're going to want to construct it so that your weight is evenly distributed to each corner of the raft. That way it doesn't fold in half and you don't end up in the water. You're going to want to secure all corners with 550 cord to the structure so that everything is solid. Next, you're going to want to build your second layer of your outer frame. When you do that, you want to build another 6 to 8 inches in height. This will ensure that water won't flow over the sides and you won't end up with a very wet ride. Same as before, go through and secure everything with 550 cord, this time taking care to make sure everything is pulled into the center and nothing's poking out the edges. You're then going to want to take a long strand of 550 cord, tie it off to your first eyelet, and run it through each eyelet straight in a line around the side. As you work it around, you're going to want to pull the poncho up over the sides and ensure everything's snug in place. Take care to make sure no corners are flapping down and taking on so that they'll take on water. Make sure everything's pulled tight and tie it off in the center. I prefer to use a quick release knot tied off in the center so that if something happens and the raft goes under, I can quickly pull it and retrieve my poncho back. Let's take this thing for a test. Well, the structure seems to float. I should have built the sides a little bit taller. I did take on a little bit of water and I did get wet. In a survival situation, I'd have floated down the river quite a ways before I may have had any issues. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and if you have any survival tactics you'd like me to demonstrate, leave a comment below. I'll see all you in the next video.